Hi guys, Happy New Year! Today I'm going to show you guys how to make this ooey gooey, mouth-watering spaghetti with lobster tails. So I just finished adding in 1 tablespoon of white iodized salt. Once the water has been brought to a boil, add in a box or 2 of spaghetti. Depending on how many people you plan on cooking for today, this will vary. Now I'm adding in half a teaspoon of Adobo Powder. Sprinkle it all around. This thing right here just gives it so much good flavor. Okay. Sprinkle in some basil leaves. I love basil. A hint of cayenne pepper. So basil. So now I just finished adding in some more green bell pepper. I'm adding in some mozzarella cheese. Now I'm adding in 1 cup of heavy whipping cream. Laughing cow cheese. Add in some onions, some diced onions. 1 tablespoon of Chipotle or hot sauce is going in. One teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Five-star right here. So now I'm adding in an additional cup of heavy whipping cream. Done. Now just let it melt. Before we go, here is the biblical verse of the day. 2 are better than 1 because they have a good return for their labor. If either of them falls down, one can help the other up. But pity anyone who falls and has no one to help them up. As usual, thank you for watching. See you next time.